Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where we go beyond the ordinary and dive deep into the machines that redefine what a vehicle can be. Today, we are looking at something truly extraordinary: the 2026 Dressta TD-15E motorhome truck. This is not just a car. This is not just a truck. This is a full-blown expedition fortress on wheels, built for people who refuse to be limited by roads, weather, or anything the planet throws at them. So buckle up, because this one is unlike anything we have ever reviewed on this channel. Starting with the exterior, and honestly, the first time you see this machine in person, your jaw just drops. The 2026 Dressta TD-15E is wrapped in a stunning white pearl metallic paint that gleams under any lighting condition. The front fascia is absolutely commanding. A massive diamond mesh chrome grille dominates the face of this rig, flanked by razor-sharp wraparound LED headlights that look like something straight out of a science fiction film. The hood is sculpted with flowing aerodynamic lines, and the entire front end communicates power, precision, and luxury in equal measure. Running along the sides, you notice the dark chrome geometric trim lines that trace the body from front to rear, giving this massive machine a surprisingly sleek silhouette. The living module attached to the cab is seamlessly integrated: no awkward joins, no rough transitions. It flows as one cohesive unit. Large oval porthole-style tinted windows line the side of the living quarters, each surrounded by precision-machined brushed aluminum frames. The exterior LED accent lighting runs beneath the roofline and along the skirt panels, which means at night, this thing glows like a rolling luxury hotel. The overall length is substantial. We are talking about a true land yacht, but the design team has done a masterful job making it look proportional and purposeful rather than bulky. The wheels deserve their own mention. The TD-15E rides on massive oversized all-terrain tires mounted on 24-inch chrome multi-spoke alloy rims. The tread pattern is deep and aggressive, designed for mud, rock, sand, and everything in between. The suspension is built for punishment, and you can see the heavy-duty components peeking out from behind those impressive wheel arches. This is a vehicle that takes its off-road credentials as seriously as its luxury credentials, and that combination is exactly what makes it so special. Now let us step inside, because the interior of the 2026 TD-15E is where things get absolutely mind-blowing. The cockpit, or what Dressta calls the command center, is a driver's dream. You are greeted by a panoramic curved digital instrument cluster that wraps around your field of vision. 3 widescreen infotainment displays sit in the center console, handling navigation, vehicle systems, entertainment, and communication. The dashboard is finished in carbon fiber and brushed aluminum, and the quilted leather steering wheel with integrated controls feels premium in every way. Ambient mood lighting in a cool electric blue sets the tone, and the heads-up display projects key driving data directly onto the windshield. This is a cockpit that could make a pilot jealous. Moving into the living quarters, the lounge area welcomes you with a plush L-shaped sofa in slate gray performance fabric, a large flat-screen television mounted on the feature wall, floating walnut shelves, and panoramic side windows that frame whatever landscape you happen to be parked in. The ceiling features recessed lighting with dimmer zones, and the built-in premium sound system is concealed within the walls for a clean, uncluttered look. The kitchen is a compact masterpiece: induction cooktop, convection microwave, quartz countertops with a waterfall edge, handleless cabinetry in matte white and walnut, and brushed gold faucet fixtures. It is the kind of kitchen you would expect in a high-end urban apartment, not rolling through the wilderness. The master bedroom features a king-size platform bed with premium white linen, recessed LED ceiling lighting, motorized blackout shades on the oval windows, and built-in bedside storage with USB and wireless charging. The bathroom continues the spa theme with a frameless glass walk-in shower with a rainfall head, heated porcelain tile floors, a floating vanity, a backlit mirror cabinet, and gold hardware throughout. Every single detail inside this vehicle has been considered, refined, and executed to the highest standard. On the performance side, the 2026 Dressta TD-15E is powered by a heavy-duty turbocharged diesel engine producing over 600 horsepower and a torque figure that simply dominates any terrain. The drivetrain is a full-time all-wheel drive system with multiple terrain modes, electronic locking differentials, and adaptive air suspension that can raise or lower the vehicle based on the surface below. On highway, it cruises smoothly and surprisingly quietly thanks to the exceptional sound insulation throughout the living module. Off-highway, it climbs, crawls, and conquers. The onboard power systems include dual generator setups, solar panel integration on the roof, and a large lithium battery bank that allows the vehicle to run completely off-grid for days at a time. Connectivity, climate control, satellite communication, everything works whether you are parked in a city or camped 200 miles from the nearest road. Now for the question everyone is waiting for: the price. The 2026 Dressta TD-15E motorhome truck starts at approximately $1.2 million for the base configuration. Fully optioned with the premium interior package, extended solar system, satellite suite, and all off-road upgrades, you are looking at somewhere between $1.6 and $2 million. Yes, that is a serious number. But when you consider that you are getting a luxury apartment, a performance off-road vehicle, a survival rig, and an adventure machine all in one, the math starts to make a different kind of sense. Dressta is targeting ultra-high net worth individuals, expedition teams, and adventure content creators who demand the absolute best without any compromise. So is the 2026 Dressta TD-15E worth it? If you have the budget and the lifestyle to match, absolutely yes. There is nothing else on the market that combines this level of luxury, this level of off-road capability, and this level of self-sufficient off-grid living in a single package. It is a rolling statement that says you go anywhere, live comfortably, and do it in style. This is the future of expedition vehicles, and Dressta has absolutely nailed it with the TD-15E. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Dressta TD-15E motorhome truck here on MH Car Review. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more incredible vehicle reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. Until next time, stay adventurous, and keep driving forward.